Hi friends, today I am going to explain about how to delete the record from database. So here, in Spring Boot, we can use the delete mapping annotation. This is the delete mapping annotation. This is the rest endpoint. This is the path variable. So which ID we want to delete? So we can pass here. It will delete the existing record. So here I created one delete employee details method. Here I am passing the parameters as a path variable. This is the data type id, this name and this name should be match. Okay, so here I am testing the that record is available or not in database by using this line. So here we can use the employee details repo find by id. So if it is not existed, so we can throw the record not found exception. So if it is existed, so we will get the that existing object. So and we are passing this existing object into the delete method. So this delete method into the Spring Data JPA method. So it will from code repository class this method delete method. So entire object will be delete. So you can see it is in debugging mode. For example, this is the here we are getting list of the employee details. You can see these are the list of them 2 3. So for example I am going to delete second record. So here I am passing employee details. This is the id whatever this is the rest endpoint delete employee details. So here this is delete employee, this is the id. So we are passing here path variable. Yeah, method is not allowed. One single delete employee details here. Can see. Sorry, here I am using the get, so we need to use delete here. You can see it is entered into the STS in debugging mode. You can see employee id it is deleted. So again you can go back to the this get employee details rest endpoint. You can trigger, see that second record was deleted. So here we are using this is the delete mapping annotation, and one we can use the path variable. This is delete method is we need to use the Spring Data JPA and the data JPA. So we can use the existing delete method into the code repository class. So this is the way to delete the any existing record from the database by using Spring Boot and Spring Data JPA. Okay, thank you for watching.